welcome to my channel. So, oh my god, I don't know what to say. Hi world, welcome to my channel. So, Halloween is just around the corner, like 3 weeks. I decided, why not to make something? Why not make something? Oh my god, my English. Hi world, welcome to my channel. So, it's October, and as we know, it's Halloween month. We all want to do different looks, scary looks. I'm actually planning to do some makeup for Halloween. We don't really celebrate Halloween, but here we do. So I wanted to do these Halloween looks for this month, but I was also searching for some places that sell like fake blood or fake flesh or anything like that, but I didn't find because I'm not a good searcher. I decided to make my own at home. I searched D.I.Y fake blood and flesh. I have all my ingredients right now in front of me. We have the corn syrup, we have cornstarch, a red food coloring. I forgot the cocoa mix over there. I'm gonna go get it. Give me a second. Back again. We have a little bit of cocoa left here because I drank almost all of it, and some water. This is very easy to make, I hope, because it's my first time to make fake blood. So let's DIY and see if it's gonna be a success or a fail. Let's get started. First thing we're going to need is 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. So I'm gonna open this one. And actually, if this is a success, I'm gonna use it on my coming videos because I really don't know where we can buy special effects and stuff like that. Oh, it's still closed. Okay, 2 tablespoons corn syrup. Okay, next, 4 drops of red food coloring. I don't know how to do the droplet thingy, but I have this empty container for like serums and stuff. It's clean, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use this as a dropper. Ooh! Okay. Next is 1 teaspoon cocoa mix. I really don't want any food coloring to get into my skin because that stays for so long. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Ooh. Is that teaspoon? Oh, the teaspoon? 5. Ooh. Okay, I almost made a mistake there. Okay, we're going to stir this together and hopefully we will come up with the fake blood. Thank you so much. My assistant is right here beside me. She helps me with everything. Okay, let's stir. Do you want to see how it steers? You know what I'm scared of? I'm scared if I added more food coloring, it's gonna color my skin so bad if I apply it to my face. Joke. Wait. Tissue around here. Assistant! Can I have some tissue, please? I have some blood on my hands. Oh my god, it looks actually good. I'm sorry, I'm so excited for this. Let's say, what? I cut myself by accident. There we go. Guys, I like it. It looks like blood. Look, up close, it's kind of good, right? What do you think? So I'm gonna add it to my dropper. So I filled my dropper with the fake blood. I'm gonna be using it hopefully on my next makeup look for Halloween. So guys, our next DIY is fake flesh. I'm gonna use my foundation over here to make the fake flesh. Reminder again, this is my first time to try it, so let's see if it's gonna be a success or a fail. Let's put it here on the table. I'm just gonna mix it here. I wanna show you guys. The consistency is so weird. Look. So weird. Like, you know, see, like this is clean hands. And then when I do this, it's still clean. Even though it looks like liquid. What should I do? Can I just put it in my face and pretend it's flesh? Guys, I will wash up this mess and be right back. Guys, I wore dark clothes because, you know, I didn't want any food coloring to come to my clothes. But apparently the cornstarch stained my shorts. So I need to clean it today. Anyway, I'm back here with some flour, and this time I'm not gonna mess it up. I'm just gonna use the same ingredients. The same amount. Like we got here our flour. But okay, this is much easier to stir rather than the cornstarch. It's like really easy. والله cornstarch كان صعب. It's gonna be kind of hard to stick flour to your face if you want to do like a special effects makeup. Imagine like people asking you, how did you do that? And they're like, it's just flour. Let me call my assistant to put for me some foundation on my here on the dough. Okay, so we got our foundation over here. I'm gonna mix it up. Guys, looks like this is gonna be another fail video. Guys, this is a fail. Again, I'm so sorry. I don't know. It's supposed to be the flesh. Does it look like a flesh? مفروض flesh. Okay, here we have my piece of flesh. Now let's put some blood on it so that it will look more realistic. It doesn't work because, you know, the flour is too... Oh, look. At least the blood works. It looks realistic. I like it. I'm gonna use that for my makeup looks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video.